Let's be real. You're tired of restarting, tired of getting motivated at 2 a.m., making big plans, hyping yourself up, and then watching it all collapse a few days later. You don't even get surprised anymore. It's almost like you expect yourself to fall off, like quitting is your default setting. And here's the part you don't admit. You don't trust yourself anymore. You don't trust your promises. You don't trust your discipline. You've repeated the cycle so many times that your brain doesn't believe your new start anymore. And that's the real reason you don't stick to anything. Your mind is loyal to who you were, not who you want to become. You try to wake up early with the identity of someone who loves comfort. You try to be consistent with the identity of someone who always negotiates with himself. Here's the cold truth you've avoided. You can't build a disciplined life with the mindset of someone who breaks at the first sign of discomfort. Quitting, restarting, waiting for motivation, telling yourself, I'll try again tomorrow. You're not stuck because you're weak. You're stuck because you're trained. Trained to chase excitement instead of identity. Trained to rely on motivation instead of self-respect. Trained to let feelings decide your actions. The moment you decide, I don't want to live as this version of me anymore, everything changes. Not instantly, but permanently. You don't need a perfect routine. You don't need a full plan. You need a personal rule that doesn't break just because you feel tired or bored or unmotivated.